Boa. Also, a challenge.
Turanga Twin Brother, Turanga Italtala Mori Kurui, one of the line of Ratu Tevita, Dean of Education, Arts and Law, University of South Pacific, professors and lecturers of the University of South Pacific. Bulavinaka, and a very good evening to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor and a great pleasure to be invited to share this important occasion with all of you and to enjoy seeing the pride on the faces of all of you present here this evening, especially to our double gold graduate, and to feel that sense of accomplishment mixed with no small measure of relief, I suppose, also. And I'm sure that I know that feeling. I wish you, Ratu Tevita, every happiness in your well-earned achievement. A graduation ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, is a dream fulfilled at the end of every student's pursuit of excellence, and it is equally a time for reflection, not only on past achievement, but on one's future, and with respect to one's life, career, and interests. Thus, it is always important for any graduate to remember to thank those who have stood by right throughout the journey, whether they be parents, professors, lecturers, sponsors, and even peers. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here today to celebrate Ratu Tevita's achievement, and his achievement means a lot to me, as well as to the ministry as a whole. Ratu Tevita is a classic example of a devoted, hardworking, and committed young Fijian. And despite the difficulties and the tremendous odds that he went through, he was still able to rise above all odds and graduate from the University of South Pacific, walking away not only with one, but 2 gold medals. Ratu Tevita, to you, my boy, you've done your parents proud. Your village, you've done them proud. And your Vanua, you've done them proud. You have fulfilled any parent's dreams, and that is to graduate with flying colors. You are an inspiration to all the young people in Fiji, and a living testimony that dreams are not impossible. You have proven that anything is possible with a little bit of hard work. Anything is possible in this world, and there's obviously also sacrifice and determination. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm almost certain that Ratu Tevita would not be where he is today if it wasn't for his family. The support from his family members and the words of encouragement from his father and his mother, and never-ending unconditional love enabled him to reach this great and glorious height. And at this juncture, I'd also like to commend his parents, Savira and Waisea, for being the biggest source of inspiration and for always continuing to support Ratu Tevita. Your teaching and your upbringing and sacrifice has definitely paid off, and I'm almost certain that Ratu Tevita will continue to do his best wherever he goes, knowing that he has a very supportive father and a loving mother. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to share a few things about his father, whom I've worked with now for a number of years at the ministry. He is a very humble man, a man committed to his duties and always ready to be called in for extra work, especially when my driver decides to take leave. And the best part about him, that he's a phenomenal Mativanua in the villages and every single community that I've visited. Wise, as we all call him, has a wealth of knowledge on the areas we visit, and with his friendly personality, he's able to strike up a conversation with anyone. And he even takes them on while he's doing his duties. These attributes, I hope, he has passed on to you, Ratu Tevita, and do keep his teachings to guide you right throughout your life. Having said that, I urge you parents to continue to support your children with respect to their education by being a worthy role model. It may not be easy at times, but I encourage you all to look beyond the hurdles ahead and actively participate in your children's education. You'll surely reap the reward, as we can see today, a reward that will never be forgotten. For you, Ratu Tevita, continue to learn and better yourself. Success is actually a journey and not a destination. Receiving your degrees today does not signal an end, but rather the beginning of an exciting journey ahead. And what you do and how you do it after the graduation will determine your success in life. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I once again warmly congratulate Ratu Tevita on his great achievement, actually a phenomenal achievement, and I wish you well in the future. And please, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you join me in giving a huge round of applause to a wonderful Fijian. And I will let you thank you.
Nah, entonces vas a seguir.